Hello friends, this error code seems to be a bug within a specific software application. This is not a common error. You can do the following things to fix this error. First of all, check for updates. If there is a newer version of the software available, then update to it. The second method is contact the software vendor. Look for the official support channel for the software that is giving you the error. Provide the vendor with the specific error code to get targeted help. The last method is uninstall and reinstall the software. If updating of the software doesn't work, then uninstall the software and then restart your computer and then install the latest version of the software. This may help you. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.